Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm at the Remy in Frisco, Texas. The Remy in Frisco, Texas, and I'm on the 5th floor, and one of the first things we're going to see is the Sky Lounge. So this is exclusively for the 5th floor. Just going to take a look at it. Pretty cool. I love the Sky Lounge. It's got a really great kind of trellis going over this with some lights. Very, very fun. And what I love about it too is just the great view it's going to have. So you've got a cool place you can go at night and on the weekends. You can watch some TV over here, and then you do have sink over there. So at sink you can do dishes. Or it looks like there's an ice maker over there too. So you can kind of have that. There's even a water dispenser. So that's all cool. But then what I like about this is it gives a great view of the city. So let's talk about it. So this is Frisco. That's the North Dallas Tollway over there, and so that's going north. This is Frisco. That would keep going north to Prosper, Salina, things like that. This is also really close to Main Street. Main Street is the next exit over here, and that's kind of the main street that goes through Frisco, east and west. If you go that direction, it's more kind of subdivisions and things like that, but there's also a lot of grocery stores, restaurants, seeing H-E-B right there. If you go this direction, it's more, there's nightlife and cool things to do, and that's on this side. If you go this way, that's going to lead you back to Plano, Addison. It's also going to lead you to the airport. You'll go about 6 minutes or so, and then you can take 121 to the airport. And then way in the distance there, you can see kind of, I believe that's North Dallas. So some North Dallas. That's probably West Plano over there. And then past that would be, North Dallas. So anyway, that's a little bit about the area. It's a really fantastic location. It's easy to get around to wherever you want to go. Okay, so that's a little bit more about the Sky Lounge and the location here. Let's go see some more amenities. If you have any questions, send me a text. My number's below.